Welcome to our channel. If you're receiving fraudulent calls on your Sprint line, follow these quick steps to block them and protect yourself from scams. Step 1. Open your phone's dialer app and access your recent call history. Identify the fraudulent number you want to block. Step 2. For immediate blocking, tap on the suspicious number in your call log. Select Block Number or Add to Block List from the Options menu. Step 3. Visit the Sprint website or open the My Sprint mobile app to enable additional fraud protection features. Step 4. Log in to your Sprint account using your registered credentials. Navigate to the Account Settings or Security section. Step 5. Look for the Call Screening or Fraud Protection feature. Sprint offers built-in tools to identify and block potential spam calls. Step 6. Enable Sprint's Call Screener service, which automatically identifies suspicious calls and warns you before you answer. Step 7. Activate the Scam Shield or similar fraud prevention service if available with your plan. This provides enhanced protection against known scam numbers. Step 8. Register your number on the National Do Not Call Registry at donotcall.gov for additional protection against unwanted calls. Step 9. Report fraudulent calls to Sprint Customer Service and to the Federal Trade Commission at ftc.gov complaint to help track scammers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.